Welcome to Maths with Mr. Chow. How do you know whether to use sine, cosine, or tangent? In this lesson, we'll learn a simple way to choose the correct trigonometric ratio using SOH, CAH, and TOA. Let's get started. Step 1. Label the sides. Remember, O stands for opposite, A stands for adjacent, and H stands for hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle. The opposite and adjacent sides are identified relative to the angle theta. Once we have labeled the sides, we can decide which trigonometric ratio to use. Step 2. Choose the ratio. Look at the two sides you are using. If you have opposite and hypotenuse, use sine, SOH. If you have adjacent and hypotenuse, use cosine, CAH. If you have opposite and adjacent, use tangent, TOA. So, simply choose the ratio that contains the two sides you are using. Let's look at example 1. Which trigonometric ratio should we use? We know the hypotenuse, so we have H. We want to find the opposite side, so we have O. We are using O and H. O and H are in SOH, so we use sine. Now let's look at example 2. Which trigonometric ratio should we use? We know the adjacent side, so we have A. We want to find the hypotenuse, so we have H. We are using A and H. A and H are in CAH, so we use cosine. Now it's your turn. Which trigonometric ratio should we use? Take a moment to think about it. We know the adjacent side, so we have A. We want to find the opposite side, so we have O. We are using O and A. O and A are in TOA, so we use tangent. Let's summarize. First, label the sides as O, A, and H. Next, identify the two sides you are using. Then choose the correct ratio. O and H means SOH, so use sine. A and H means CAH, so use cosine. O and A means TOA, so use tangent. Remember, SOH, CAH, TOA. Thanks for watching.